If you want to know what comes with your cold therapy machine, you came to the right spot. We're going to show you what comes in the box when you get your cold therapy machine. Hi, it's Steve from MyColdTherapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. Patients are always asking us what comes in the box. How do I know I'm getting the right things? Michelle, please show us what comes in the box.
Today we're going to show you what comes inside the box for the Breg Polar Care Wave System. So once you get your box, go ahead and open it up. The first thing that you should find is the pad. If you chose a pad with your system, then you're going to have the pad for whatever body part you're treating. Once you've made sure that's there, then you're going to want to go ahead and pull the cooler itself out. So here's the wave, and the wave is also going to come with an instruction booklet. This shows you how to use the system. Also, you're going to have a power supply that plugs into the cooler, and then of course it will plug into the wall. Once you've made sure that everything's in there, you're ready to begin your therapy.
Now that you know what comes with your cold therapy machine, let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful, and do give us a like. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.